Hello friends, welcome to Jetking Institute. Today we are going to describe you about benefits of Master in Network Administration (M&A). This course helps add skills in the networking domain, giving them an edge over other aspiring engineers stepping into the IT-IMS industry. Jetking Master in Network Administration (M&A), Hardware and Operating System Basics, Networking Essentials, Windows 10 70-697, CCNA 200-125, 740 Server 2016, Modern Workplace. Next Role-Ready Technologies, Exchange Server 2016, Linux SA1, Linux SA2, Automation PS and Python, ITILV3, Fundamentals of Cloud Computing, Fundamentals of Cyber Security, Value-add technologies, self-study online content, network security, ethical hacking, cloud computing, 3D printing, robotics. How will this course enhance your career prospects? This course will help you become a desktop support professional. You can either work in the corporate sector under the below-mentioned job roles or start your own hardware support venture. 1. Network engineer. 2. Server administrator. 3. L1 Systems Support Engineer. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe the page and press the bell icon button.